Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike. It is Friday, the 18th of December. This is our weekly recap. As always, it goes out to all my members as well as people on YouTube and subscribers to my email list. If you want to learn more about me, visit me at smartoptiontrading.com. You want to join us in our trading room and live alerts, click here. Link is in the description below on the video. So, what was this week like? Week was good week in general. Very little tough. You can see here, Monday we started off with this big, gap up and then reversed. And then we do on Tuesday, we got back up. Wednesday, Thursday, new all-time highs. And this morning and today, we're getting some selling coming in at this point. All right. So we have a little bit of selling pressure here. The Qs were a little stronger, but getting some weakness now. They're below that. And the IWM has been absolutely in fuego, a new all-time high here today, as this just continues to creep up, up, and up. It's this week was about names, guys, and that's the one thing. The great thing about being in the room with me and us is, finding the names that are in play. We look at volume, option flow, and technicals in the news, and taking those on here. And Intel getting killed here on news. We just saw that Microsoft is moving to its own chips, basically another nail in the coffin on Intel. And it's looking for that. And if you look at the week that was, there were things to do all week. Not the easiest of weeks, but it was finding those names. And if you found those names that were in play, they were great. Peloton on Monday gave nice trades, right? Look at this big 5-day move up here. It filled that gap. We played with that. Then it's continuing to go up as it's joining the Qs here. Nice trades on that one this week. We traded that some. AMD gave a bunch of trades on Monday and Tuesday, and the last 3 days hasn't really given any reason to touch it, but there's some nice trades on Monday and Tuesday. We traded this one. Apple was beautiful early on the open this week on, what do I want to say, Wednesday? No, Tuesday. Tuesday made nice money on Apple and options on this one. Okay, I can't type, obviously. There we go. Right as we pushed up, we got a nice move to this 129. Now we're coming in. But bottom line, it hasn't been the easiest week. Twitter gave some nice trades as it continues to trade well and extend itself up here. Oh God, DOS is really slow right now. It's giving me problems. Right, new many week high here on this one as we look out there. So everything's good. We had PayPal big flow. I actually took a small loss as I lost interest in PayPal, but bottom line is PayPal gave a nice big move. If you held these overnight, you got paid. Nice flow in MasterCard as well. We saw them buying next week's 345 calls. Microsoft, the February 240 calls bought hard. Beautiful candle, unfortunately giving it back here. And, all of us are watching FSLY for this gap fill as it continues to push into it. Nice move there. And obviously all eyes are on Tesla here into the close as we get this rebalance. So before you read too much into what's going on today, as we sit here and we look around these things, um, what's going on here right now is this very simple. We have one of the biggest rebalances ever in the history of the S&P 500 tonight. By the way, Facebook is going up here against the market, which is interesting. So we got this going on here. You have Tesla joining the S&P 500. You have a rebalance, and today is the last big trading day of the year. What I mean by that is all the big fund managers, they're gone. They're done. Today's the last day around. They're positioning things how they want it for when they come back at the beginning of next year. So you're getting a lot of volatility, a lot of whip, and a lot of selling and profit taking as we go out. So next couple of weeks are generally bullish. They're generally melt up type markets for the next 2 weeks. They're both short weeks. Keep that in mind. We have a half day on Thursday and markets are closed for Christmas on Friday. And then we have a day off on following Friday for New Year's. So keep that in mind. We'll see where we go from here. I hope you're all doing good. I want to wish you guys all the happiest of holidays. Be safe, enjoy time with your family. And if you want to join me, sign up. And to everybody in my service, I'll see you guys bright and early on Monday morning.